Hello, my name is Youssouf, and welcome to our new exploration game developed with Unreal Engine 5. In this game, you'll explore an abandoned construction site filled with hidden dangers and traps. Your objective is to carefully navigate through the site, avoiding zones rigged with bombs. If you step into a trapped area, the bomb will explode, and the game will be over. To create an immersive and realistic experience, we've used materials and objects inspired by a real abandoned construction site. You'll find construction plans, debris, and unfinished structures, all meticulously placed to enhance the atmosphere. We've used Unreal Engine's trigger boxes to manage the traps, strategically placing them throughout the level. These trigger boxes detect your presence in dangerous zones, activating traps like bombs when you get too close. To build these mechanics, I used Unreal Engine's blueprint system, a powerful visual scripting language. I set up trigger boxes to detect when a player enters or exits a specific area. Using the blueprint nodes, I configured events like on-actor begin overlap to trigger explosions when the player steps into a trapped area. To create a trigger box, I followed these steps. I added a trigger box to the scene. In edit mode, I went to the Place Actors tab and searched for Trigger Box. Then, I dragged the trigger box into my level, specifically around a bomb, where I wanted to detect a collision. Once the trigger box was in place, I configured the interactions and collision events directly in Blueprint. Here's what I did. I added collision events. In the blueprint, I integrated event nodes such as on-actor begin overlap. This event triggers when an actor enters or exits the area covered by the trigger box. On-actor begin overlap. This node triggers when the actor enters the trigger box's area. For example, when the player enters a trapped area, I use this event to trigger an explosion. To create an effective trap mechanism, here's how I set up a blueprint flow to trigger an explosion when the player enters a trapped area. On-actor begin overlap. This node is connected to the trigger box to detect any actor entry. Cast to player character. I check that the entering actor is the player. I use the cast to node to ensure the actor is of the correct type. Play sound at location. I play an explosion sound at the exact position of the trap, enhancing the dramatic effect of the event. Spawn emitter at location. I generate particle effects to visually represent the explosion, adding an immersive visual dimension to the event. Set simulate physics. I activate physics simulation on the surrounding objects to enhance the effect of the explosion, creating a more realistic visual and physical impact in the game. Our goal is to deliver a unique and thrilling experience where every move counts. Will you make it across the site without triggering an explosion? Play now to find out. Thank you for choosing our game, and good luck.